So with this 2013 Chevy Impala, got a P0455 code. It's a large leak, evap leak. Very common with these. This is not my first time doing one, but I guess I wanted to bring you along real quick just to show you. So you're going to be replacing this. It's a vent valve canister. This is what it's replacing. It's located on the driver's side, right underneath the wheel well, which I'll show you here. Now, it's right up there. I've already got the new one on. I didn't film it just because I am not in my garage at the moment. I'm outside. We're gonna hear wind and lawn mowing, and it's pouring down, raining. But I just want to show you guys how I got here. So essentially, I got a smoke machine and I plugged it into the purge valve, which is located under the hood. You take off your engine cover and it's located right here. Now, essentially how you gotta do it, so like I said, I got the smoke tool. I didn't get the really expensive one. You don't need it. I think this paid like $100 and something off Amazon. But this thing works like a dream. So essentially what you want to do is take off this hose. It's just held on that little clip right there. You just press it in and pull. Now this leads straight back to the vent valve. So we'll turn on the smoker. A little bit of smoke. And then we'll just plug it in that tube right there. So essentially, purge valve, you want to check this first. If you don't have a scan tool, but you have a smoker or vice versa, this is always closed. It's command open. So you can actually hook the smoker up to it and test out this purge valve, and it shouldn't let anything through because there's arrows right there on the side. So that tells you right then and there if this is working or not, and those are really cheap. So essentially, once the smoke makes it all the way back to your rear, which here, you see the smoke coming out. The vent valve canister actually vents constantly, and it's commanded close when need be. So, while that's filling up with a bunch of smoke, we can go into the live tests. So like I said, I'm not exactly sure how you guys would tackle this without these. But go here, it's a GM. We'll go auto, read the VIN. I already know it's gonna be the correct VIN, so hit OK. It's gonna ask you a few questions. Yes, it's a 2013. It'll ask if it's got dual zone, climate control, or single manual, which we do. All right, so we're going to diagnose it. Control unit, that's located in the ECM. We want to go to active tests. And this is the vent valve, so that's in the rear, like I said. Now we can go ahead and command this on, like right now it says it's venting, which is how it's supposed to be. And then give some more light. I'll go ahead and command it on, and all the smoke goes away. That's how you know it's good. And then shut it off, and that's it for that. We can go ahead and hit escape, let it cancel the procedure. So anyways, that's how we do that. We can go ahead and just shut this off, let the smoke come out. But anyways, that's why having these tools, and again, I don't even know if you can rent these. Well, like I said, here's the one that I had it in similar videos before. I've used this a bunch of times and it works great. But that's how you test and figure out the leak. Plus, if you see leaking anywhere else, you'll notice where the leaks are. You can just start coming through and looking where all the smoke is pouring out. But anyways, all the lines look great. That wasn't the issue. again, from doing these before with those 044455 codes, whatever the heck it was. It's either this or that. Remember, this stays closed, that stays open. That one in the back stays open even when commanded on. Can't do it. I'll leave a link in the description for both these parts just in case you are looking for it. I hope this helped you. Please feel free, like, subscribe. Always doing different vehicles. I want to appreciate all my current subscribers, and until next time. I did want to give one more tip before I finalize this video. Here's a part. Now, depending on what kind of vent valve is already on your vehicle, what I would seriously do is just go underneath the car, jack up the driver's side, get back there, and just take a look at this end right here that's connected into the canister. If it looks like this, you'll need to buy this adapter, because that's what the current vent canister is, and this is what the old one apparently looks like. So if you already have it looking like this, you don't need this. This can save you $10 to $15 depending on where you purchase it from. Luckily for me, I didn't get charged for this, but again, you can, I've seen it before where they actually need this thing, and you can save money by ordering the part together. I know AC Delco sells the vent with this, and I think so does Standard Motor. Yeah, I think Standard Motor is the other brand that actually sells it with it, or AC Delco sells it without. And like I said, you can save $10 or $15.